In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Supreme Rubberized Gloves, and this was the free gift for the Fall/Winter 20 season. Starting off with the packaging, the gloves it comes in a clear plastic wrapper, and then at the top, it does have the Supreme box logo. And then on the back of the packaging, it does have the barcode that says Rubberized Gloves, and then the colorway is white, and these are a one-size-fits-all. Now, moving on to the gloves themselves, the entire glove is made out of this soft cloth material, and you can see where that is just because the two whites are a little bit different shades. And then also on the glove, it does have the red Supreme box logo branding. Now moving on to the palm part of the glove, which is the rubberized piece, and to be honest, this isn't really a well-made glove. It does feel really cheap in hand. It almost feels like they just dipped this in white paint, and that's what this is. It just feels like dried white paint. So I've had rubberized gloves like this before, and they're a lot thicker than this, and overall this just feels like a really cheaply made glove. And then moving on to the part where you would put your hand in, this part is pretty stretchy, so pretty much anyone's hand can fit in here, and there also is a red lining around it just for a little bit of detail. And just to give you a size perspective on these, I do have a ruler, and from the tip of the middle finger to where you would put your hand in, it's about 9.5, maybe almost 10 inches. And then here's another measurement from about where your thumb would start all the way to the other side of your hand, and it's just a little over 5 inches. And here's the measurement for the hand opening. So unstretched, it's about 3 inches, and then once you stretch it all the way out, it goes to about 4 inches. And now here's a quick look of me just wearing the gloves. Overall, these do fit a little bit tight on me, and I don't really have that big of hands. And then you can see the Supreme box logo is a little bit stretched out for me wearing it. But overall, I don't really know what you would use these for just because they're white, and if they're supposed to be work gloves, these would get really dirty, and I don't really know if you would want that to happen. But overall, pretty cool free gift, one of the better ones in the past. So that wraps up today's review of the Supreme Rubberized Gloves. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on it, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.